Hello, so you've seen the title, you kind of know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make the bombest shorts that every 13-year-old wanted when I was 13. So instead of paying like 50, maybe less, dollars on Etsy for a pair, I decided I'm gonna make my own. In case you don't know exactly what I'm talking about, I'll put a couple pics of examples up. I'm just like pulling inspo from a few different pairs and a pair that I have in my head from childhood. I don't have the most perfect pair of jeans to cut off, but I thrifted these the other day. They are Levi's. They're from the little boys section. When I envisioned making these, I wanted to do the superhero print, but I don't watch superhero movies. I don't hate them. I have nothing against them. I actually want to see them, but I have never. So I didn't want to be a fake fan. I found this super cute material and it's kind of like relevant to me because I like pink. And then the Aristocats is my favorite Disney movie. I was obsessed with it when I was a kid. I just rewatched it the other day. So I got this cute pink material with Marie all over it. And that's gonna go on one side, and then the other side was loud. I'm gonna do these silver square studs. So why do I look like this? Anywho, this is what they look like before. A little small in the butt, which we hate, but overall an okay fit. This is not a flattering angle, but I tried them on, marked where I thought I should cut, and it's let me show you. It's here, but the crotch is here, so I don't know where I got that line, but I'm gonna take a different approach and just measure from the crotch to like 3 inches. Wait, let me see what 3 inches is. So to mark, I've got this handy dandy eyeliner. I'll use this Christmas bag as my straight edge. I'm just gonna mark straight across. So I made the line, folded them in half, and I'm gonna line up the waist and the crotch, which should make them even, but I'm no professional. So these are so cute. Look. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do the side that I marked with the fabric because there's also like a little stain on it. Don't really know what it is. Don't really want to know. So I have a square of it. Not exactly sure how I want to do it because I could pin it, like feel around, pin it, and then cut it. I'm gonna try that. So I have these rainbow pins. They're so cute. Sorry that you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm pinning the fabric. As you can see here, I was very concentrated on pinning, so I did not talk. Sorry. I'm just gonna cut around the pins so I'll have like a little bit of extra in case I mess up. And then I'm gonna hand sew it because I don't think I'll be able to get my sewing machine to do it. I don't know. That would be easier, but I want these to be perfect. Okay, so this is what they look like. That's kind of cute. I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna do a plain straight stitch. Also, whenever I hand sew things, I personally do a, know what it's called because I'm not a professional yet, but like a double layer of string. I don't know if you can see it. I just feel like it's stronger and holds better and stuff like that. So I got the first couple stitches on. You can kind of see them. You can see them more in person, which I knew would be the case. But this is going to take forever, so I'm not going to bore you with that. So I'll come back in like an hour, maybe 2 hours to do the studs and show you how this turned out. So I finished sewing. It's on there really nicely. I think it's kind of cute. I did try them on. Sorry I didn't show you, but you'll see in the end. Why I'm sitting like this. Okay, sorry if this is bad lighting. I kind of feel like they look bad, but who cares? My original plan was to do just like the whole thing studded, but I think that would be too loud. Like this side is pretty loud. So I'm gonna do an outline of studs just like around here and see how that looks. Actually, this might hurt me because I'm not a kid anymore, but I'm gonna lay on my tummy. I think I'm gonna like just kind of space them out. So here's 2. Also, I've decided that I'm probably not gonna do anything to the back because the main focus of these shorts were the front. So I think I'm just gonna leave it at that, at least for now. Like obviously, I will not be wearing these for a long time. So I still have time to like decide. It's going pretty all right. I think I'm getting the hang of it a little better. I wish I had a table so I didn't have to lay on my stomach because it's kind of hurting my arms. Stupid. What is that? No, I'm not gonna show you. Some people don't like blood. Ow. Okay, I got a band-aid. All right, just an update. It looks so bad like on camera, but it looks good in person. So I'm not done, but I'm almost done. I probably won't do this again just because it's not really my style anymore. I want to make like if I can find a really good black pair of denim, I want to do longer studs like on the sides of the shorts, and then maybe something cool on the front. I don't know. The hardest part is literally finding like a good pair of jeans, and I don't want to buy a super expensive pair of jeans and then like potentially ruin them, so I'll always do secondhand. I want to do a lot of altering stuff in the future, especially jeans, but like also other stuff. I have like a ton of ideas. Like I feel like I've already said this, but before I fall asleep at night, because I have a hard time falling asleep, I just sit there and think about like design ideas or like fashion, not fashion design, but what kind of like clothing design ideas and like stuff like that. I was just telling this to someone else earlier, but like when I was in elementary school, I used to want to be a fashion designer, like so bad. And this was like this was like, how old am I? It was like 10, 13 years ago. So times have changed now, but I realized I wouldn't get anywhere in the fashion design business because you have to like be in a big city and like you have to be like a huge name brand and have your clothes on runways like Louis Vuitton and Gucci and blah blah. I'm kind of realizing nowadays it's a lot easier, in my opinion, for fashion designers because you could literally just like open your own shop or like have your own like Instagram page or Instagram boutique or like whatever and design your own clothing and sell your own clothing. And it's like nowadays just with like social media and everything so much easier. I'm finished, but I want to finish my point. So like in a way I know I don't have a degree or like blah blah, but in a way I kind of am being a fashion designer. Not necessarily with these shorts, but like in the future, I have some ideas that I am so excited to do. I think they'll be fun. So like 10-year-old me was kind of right. So here's the back. Didn't do anything to the back. And for the front, we're just gonna have to do a final reveal, so. I don't know if you can see them from that far away, but here they are. Now that they have like a bunch of stuff on them, I like the way they look a lot better. Before I added this stuff, I was not thrilled with the fit, but now I'm like, I can get over it because they're so cute. Like, wow. I can't stop looking at them. Look. Wow. So, I would say 13-year-old me is proud of 20-year-old me. Now that the shorts are done, I guess we have no more business to do today. I do want to show you my makeup though, look. I have butterflies in my crease. My nails look so bad. Anyway, and gems on my bottom. Partially inspired by Abby Roberts and partially inspired by Kennedy Walsh, the butterflies. So, with all that being said, anyway, one of these days I will get like a script so I can be a lot less awkward ending these videos because I never know what to say. Thank you for watching. I love you. See you soon. Who knows what I'm gonna post next? My goal is every 2 weeks, but who knows? I'm gonna do my best. So, bye. Oh yeah, and like and subscribe.